Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to spooky season.
What?
And ever since we went through this town back in May, we're like, what is this?
We have to come back here.
We have to stay here. We did some digging. We're like, yes, booked a room, and here we are.
In Condon, Oregon.
Yep.
We came in earlier this afternoon and stopped at some really cool places on the way in. There was like an abandoned church that we stopped at, and then an abandoned old farmhouse that we stopped at that was just super cool.
Yeah, check those out.
We went to the Condon Museum. Oh my gosh, that was one of, we have been to a lot of museums in our traveling time. That was so extensive with the information and the artifacts and the things that they've had here since the inception of this town. Amazing. All donated from the people around this area in Gilliam County. Amazing. The Gilliam County Historical Museum complex, located right next to Burns Park in Condon, displays several historical buildings with furnished period interiors, including an 1884 homestead, a 1905 railroad depot, a 1900s schoolhouse, a 1900s barber shop, which actually used to be a brothel, a one-woman brothel, the old Condon City Hall and jail, a country church, a large agricultural display building with antique equipment and vehicles. And they just added the blacksmith shop there too, which they just put together 2 weeks ago. So, Condon is a city in the seat of Gilliam County in the U.S. state of Oregon. The population, I believe it said at the 2020 census, was 711 people. The historic Main Street, which you've seen on the video here, runs through Oregon Route 19 and is a farming and ranching community. Condon was the southern terminus of the Condon branch of the Union Pacific Railroad. In 1883, a local homesteader named Potter platted the land around a spring on his property. The spring, which emerged from a bed of black basalt, was known to pioneers and ranchers in the area as Summit Springs. Experiencing financial difficulty, Potter surrendered the site to legal firm Condon and Cornish from Arlington. Harvey Condon, a member of the firm, was a nephew of Oregon geologist Thomas Condon. Condon and Cornish sold lots in the town site, and in 1884, resident David Trimble applied for a post office and became its first postmaster. He named the post office Condon after Harvey C. Condon.
All right, we were checking out on YouTube, and there's not that many videos on this. And
No.
if you believe the internet, the Hotel Condon, where we're staying, is supposedly haunted by a woman in a black Victorian dress, 1880s-ish. And
You hear spooky sounds, lights come on by themselves.
yeah, cold spots, and
Yeah,
so
all sorts of craziness.
we brought
Spooky.
all of our goodies, our paranormal equipment, the REM pod, the EMF detectors, and
Me, because
yeah, her.
I detect things.
Yeah, EVP recorder, all that stuff. So we're going to be conducting a little investigation tonight until we fall asleep. I don't know.
Yeah,
And,
because it's spooky season, and this is the first of our 4 spooky season videos
Yep.
for the month of October. We're so excited about it.
Yep. And we're rambling on. So,
So,
we're going to go check out this town.
and go get some food.
Yes.
Because we're starving.
Let's go. All right, we have relaxed. We ate some dinner at the
Buckhorn Saloon.
Buckhorns. Amazing. Nice. And
Now we're
yeah.
just taking a little nightly stroll down Main Street.
amazing town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything closes really early, so.
All right. Well, we're gonna go investigate the hotel, hopefully. Yep. And see if there's any ghosts there that want to say hi.
Yeah. Let's go find out.
Come with us. Shall you? Alright, we are starting our investigation a little bit, and we've got some toys out, and I'm going to see if anything comes to say hi. Our EVP recorder. Alright, now we have a REM pod. Lights up if you touch it.
Or get close to proximity.
Yeah. So if you move any of these
balls,
yep,
they will light up.
They will light up. And then we have our spirit box. Spirits can talk to you through this sweep through radio waves. EVP recorder is right next to the REM pod. Forward. There you go. 2 channels. Absolutely nothing coming through the radio waves. So that's good. So if we hear a voice through it, then maybe that's something. Come on in and sit down with us.
We have a few different ways you can communicate with us. We've got our REM pod here, which if you get close to it, will light up and make a sound. Or we've got the radio going on. You can talk to us through that.
Do you know how old this hotel is?
How long have you been here in Condon?
Alright, we've ran this for a while, haven't heard anything. So now we're going to reset everything. Alright, now you can talk to us through the EVP recorder. Is there anyone here?
There's a big rodeo going on at the fairgrounds this weekend. Did you like horses?
Did you like living in Eastern Oregon?
Do you like having people come and stay at the hotel?
Good morning!
Oh, well, that is it for our time in Condon.
We survived the night.
We did survive the night.
Yep.
What a cool little town.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
It feels like kind of the town was forgotten almost, but there's still some life in it.
Yeah,
and
there's
some really cool little places.
Yeah, like every couple months there's like festivals or parades, events.
And the museum, top notch.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Highly recommend venturing out here.
Venturing out here. It's like 2.5 hour drive from Portland.
Yep.
A couple hour drive from Bend. So, I mean, it's really easy to get to.
Beautiful.
And a beautiful drive.
Yeah. Amazing. And the hotel?
Good accommodations.
Great. Highly recommend it. That too.
Yeah. Although we did not get anything paranormal last night in our investigation, it does not mean that it's not haunted.
Yeah.
Have you stayed at the Condon or Hotel Condon?
Yeah.
And have you had any experiences here? Leave a comment for us down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so please share our page if you love it.
Yep.
But that is it.
Yeah, on to the next.
Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.